How to add music in CapCut. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to add music in CapCut. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do this, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have CapCut on your device. So click on CapCut right here. So search for it and make sure that your CapCut is updated. Now once you have updated CapCut, you can just open it. And as you can see, they will ask this thing right here, which you can skip, by the way. So just click on the skip right here. And then once you have done that, you can now create a template right here, or you can also click on edit. So click on edit right here, click on new project. And then for example, we want to add a stock video, right? For example, so we can just add in something that we want and add this to our project. So as you can see, this is our project. So if we want to add an audio or a music, you can just click on this add audio, or you can just click on this audio right here on the bottom. So if you click on audio, you can see the sounds right here. So click on sounds. And then in here, you can see sounds from TikTok, but you can also see commercial sounds right here. So from in here, you can just search for singers. So for example, search for One Direction. So as you can see, CapCut will provide you things right here that is relevant to One Direction, for example. So you can just choose any one of them. And then once you have, then you just click on this plus icon. And then you can drag and drop it. And then you can also just split it on the thing where your video ends. Then after that, you can just click on the export icon in the upper corner right here in order to export your video. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add music in CapCut. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.